mail.
Hi, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Did you check it out your mail, Rupali?
What mean?
Okay. So at the end of the class, I will talk to you. Okay.
Okay.
So actually, coming here in the last session, we just finished with test cases and test data, right? So observe, once we prepare test cases and test data, okay. Once we finishing test case and test data, now we are waiting for the build, right? Now waiting for the software, right? Okay. So once the project is ready, once the build is ready, next we need to execute all those test cases. Means we are preparing test cases, right? We need to execute all those test cases on that build. Okay. So what is the execution process means? Just observe. Execution process is one fine day we will get the build from development team. Okay. One fine day we will get the build from development team. After that, what we need to do? Now we need to start executing all those test cases in that build. Okay. Now we need to start executing all the test cases in that build, right? So what is the execution process? Okay, what is the execution process? Just observe. Perform the actions which is described in the description column. Okay. So just go and perform the actions which is described in the description column. Means here in the description column we mention action like enter valid data, enter invalid data, like that, right or not? Okay. So that actions we need to describe in the description column. Okay. Like open the application by clicking on it. We have to perform these actions, right? So then we are observing the actual behavior. When I'm trying to perform, when I'm trying to open the application, what happened? We need to observe the actual part, actual result. So observed value is compared with expected result. We are already written some expected result, right? So that observed value compared with expected result. Okay. So if these both are equal, so observed value is equal to the expected result, then we just mention it as a as expected. In the actual result, we just mention it as a as expected. If both are not equal, okay, if both are not equal, then we just mention it as a not as expected, right? So like that, work will be crossed. Ashima, I don't know who you are asking.
Oh, that was me.
Ashim,
Mm-hmm.
clear it is?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So earlier, here also we are doing same thing, right? Perform the test which is described in the description column. So what text here is here? Please enter valid data in agent name field and click on tab or mouse pointer and click on cancel and click on help button. So we know already what is valid data and what is invalid data, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So yeah, in the last session we just finished like what is valid data. So let me know like what is valid data. What is valid data? Minimum 5 to 8 any alphabets is a valid data, right?
Yes.
So for password, Mercury, right?
That's 7 digit
Should only have 7 digit and it's
digits.
the Mercury.
So 7 digits, right?
Mm.
Okay, like that work will be processed. Okay, so okay, I'm giving you all of you, I'm giving the controls. Okay, so just perform the test. Who are having controls perfectly, just take the controls and do it. Okay, all of you do it. Okay. Okay, so here it is the task, and here it is. Application is okay. Yeah, go ahead, and this is the application. So take the controls and do it, guys. So what it is asking, enter validate an agent name field. So validator means anything, right? And first we have to go ahead with the tab order. If you click on tab order, what happened?
Should
It
go
should
to the
link on next
next.
field, right? Or not,
Yes.
right? So what you're expecting, next field, right? It is
Mhm.
as expected, right or not? Both are equal, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
expected result is equal to actual result. Then once you click on cancel button, it is closed, right?
Mm.
Once you click on the help button, the password is Mercury, right?
Agree.
So cancel button closed as expected. Help button says password is Mercury as expected, right? And OK button. Okay. So OK button. Coming to OK button. If you click on OK button, please enter password. Pop-up message is display like please enter password, right? So just observe what happened here. Please enter password. Yes, it is as expected, right?
Yes.
Like that, we have to test it out. Take the controls, guys, and perform the actions.
Okay, so who's taking controls? Rupali?
You wanna have a go?
Yes, sure.
Okay. For the
Okay, so now for tab or mouse pointer cursor should blink on the next field.
you might wanna scroll down a little bit to see what the
So enter valid data in agent name is finished, right? Next we have to enter invalid data in agent name. Click on tab or mouse pointer, right? So invalid data means what? Numbers, everything is invalid data only, right?
Hmm.
yes.
Right? So what happened with the tab order mouse pointer? Click on just take test of tab order and OK button. Go ahead, take the controls and test it out.
So the tab order works.
Yeah, I think we're checking the invalid data, so
No, the agent.
just
Okay.
Mhm.
Go back to the Excel sheet.
Yeah, I think we should. Yeah, I think we should go back to the Excel sheet. I think we should see first. Okay,
Okay.
so invalid
So
data.
for the tab order works. It doesn't matter what
Oh
information
yeah. Yeah, I think that's as expected.
Mm-hmm.
I go ahead and write
Yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So the next one, if you click on the cancel button, what's gonna happen?
The application should get closed. Okay.
So
Is this the application?
yeah.
It gets
Yep.
closed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, it's over there. Okay, so for help button pop-up message should display password is Monterey.
Yep.
It says like please enter password. And here it says like for OK button pop-up message. So display like please enter valid data.
So that's unexpected, right?
Mm-hmm. Or do we keep the password first and click OK? Do you want to see like what happens? Do that.
Observe. Did you observe that? So actually we are expecting please enter valid data. But actual behavior what says please enter password means both are not equal, right? Expected result is not actual. Then we can write it as a not as expected.
Okay, so Rupali was right.
Yeah, take the controls and do it, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going into 2.3.
Mm-hmm. Leave agent name field as a blank.
I think this one will be the same, right? Tab or mouse pointer should blink on the next field.
Yeah, you would have to leave the
I think it's
agent
as
name.
expected.
We gotta try it and make sure.
Okay.
Click on tab.
So we just leave that.
Yep, it works as expected.
Okay, so for cancel button, application should get closed.
Mm-hmm.
It will be
It's
as expected.
yeah.
I think that's as expected too. Okay. And I believe that's as expected too.
So if you click,
Okay, so if we just leave the agent name blank, and if we press the OK button, then a pop-out message should display like, please enter agent name. Yep,
Yeah.
that's as expected too. Okay. Okay. So for 3.1, enter valid data password. Click on tab opera.
that's going to be as
I
expected.
think that's it.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Same thing with the cancel.
For help button pop-up message should display. I think that's the same too. Okay, and for OK button pop-up message should display like, please enter agent name into valid data and password field.
No, what did you type in? It should be something else other than Mercury.
No, we are putting valid data on the password.
Valid data on the password. The requirement was like, enter
Oh,
valid data
sorry.
and password
I
field.
apologize.
That's okay. Okay, so
That's-
this one's
Yeah.
as expected too, right? Okay. Alright, so now, so this one's invalid. Cancel the application should get closed. I think that's as expected too, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Help button is also the
That's
same.
expected too.
That's
Okay, so if we put invalid data in the password field, and if we press OK,
Done
and
with
it says like a pop-up message should display like, please enter agent's name.
Okay. Let's try that.
think that's as expected too.
Yep.
It says please enter agent's name.
Yeah,
It says
as
please.
a,
Okay. 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 So now let's blank and click on tab order. So we should just leave the password field as blank.
As expected.
I think this. Mm-hmm. This one's as expected.
Same.
Okay, so if we leave the password field blank and if we press the help button, yep, that's the same too. For OK button pop-up message should display like please enter agent's name if we leave the password field blank. Alright.
As expected.
as expected.
Okay, so this one is okay. To validate, click on OK button. Corresponding page called flight reservation. So now we'll just put valid
Enter
data.
data in all fields and click OK button.
Yeah, it's taking us to the next page.
Flight reservation. Yep.
So
Okay.
that's as expected.
Alright. Enter valid data in all fields and click on OK button. Please enter valid data. So I think we should go to the first page.
No, enter invalid data.
In all the fields.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Close that.
okay.
So guys, is it everything is good?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We are clear to
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Do you have any doubt?
no, clear so far.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
So
So
invalid
invalid
data, a smaller name,
or
like a short name, a Dan maybe.
just Dan.
Yeah, just DN.
Okay.
Mercury would be not Mercury, anything else.
Yep. Okay, so that should be. I think that should be digits.
Yeah. And
Okay, and the password. Anything.
yeah, anything
you
other
can
than
write
Mercury.
anything. Yeah.
Okay. It says
Okay.
incorrect password. Please try again.
Again.
So this is like not expected because it says please enter valid data, and on the application it says please enter the correct password. So unexpected, right, guys?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay.
You all feel
Can you just give me a second? Sorry about that.
no problem.
Okay. All right. So now, leave all fields as blank and click on OK button.
If it requires field, then it is asking about please enter valid data. If it is not a required field, then okay.
Navigating to the next page. Okay. So I think we should just leave
click
it.
OK.
Okay.
Please enter agent name.
Enter agent name.
So that's unexpected. Not as sorry.
Oh, it's not as expected.
I believe so. Or
Okay.
yeah, not accepted.
Okay. So here it says enter valid data in all fields and click on cancel button. Close the application. Okay.
I'm sure that's exactly what's going to happen.
Yeah, that's as expected. And I think this will be as expected too.
Same at the bottom.
Okay.
Leave all fields blank and click on cancel button.
It should close the application. Yeah.
Enter valid data. In all fields, click on help button. Yeah, I believe it is expected.
Yeah, I think it's expected too. If we just click on help button, then it will say the password is Mercury. So I think, yeah. I think this is as expected too.
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay.
Leave all fields as blank.
Asim, can we try that 6.2 on the application once and see?
The 6.2 on the application.
Yeah, putting invalid data on all fields and click on help.
Okay. Okay.
Excuse me.
And it was on help button, right?
Yeah.
Right, Guru? Okay.
Password is Mercury. Okay.
So so it's as expected.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so leave all field as blank and click on help button and leave some field.
That's also
Okay.
as expected.
Yeah.
So I think that's also as expected. Okay. All right. Done.
Right? So like that, execution will be processed. Clear, guys?
Yes.
It's clear.
So after finishing the execution phase, next we are in result analysis. Okay? So next we are in result analysis. What we are doing? Observe here, we are comparing actual result with expected result. Okay? We are comparing with actual result with expected result. If both are equal, then in the result we are saying it as a pass. If both are not equal, and the actual result will be fail. Okay, so in this we are comparing actual result with expected result. If both are equal, then result will be pass. If both are not equal, then result will be fail. So simply, if both are equal, then only we are writing it as a. Otherwise, we are writing it as a not as expected. And one more thing, guys, why it is having not expected? It's as expected only. Leave all fields are blank. We could okay one. Test it again. So leave all fields are blank. We could okay one. So if these fields are the required field, then it is asking about their data, right? Leave some fields are blank. So I am leaving password field as blank. Entering valid data. If you click on okay button. If password is a required field, then it is asking about please enter password. Otherwise, it is navigating. Observe, if password is a required field, yes, it is asking for please enter password, right?
Yes.
So I am entering Mercury. I am leaving agent name. If agent name is required field, then it is asking about agent name, right?
Yes.
So click on OK button. Yes.
Yeah.
So it is as expected only.
Oh, okay.
Like that work will be processed. So then we are comparing actual result with expected result. Okay, if both are equal, then only we are writing as expected. So simply both are equal, then only we are writing it as expected, right? So where as expected is there, simply we are mentioning it as a pass, right?
Yeah.
Take the controls and do it.
So that's a
Okay.
pass.
So you want to go ahead, Rupali?
Okay. So this is all pass except wherever it says unaccepted or not accepted. Excuse me.
Oh yeah.
So this is going to be a fail.
Fail, yeah. I think it's gonna be fail.
Okay.
Yes. That we finish the result analysis phase also, right? Okay. Observe after result analysis, everything execution is finished. We find some defects, right? Okay. So we find some problems, some values, right? So with that, we are going to prepare it as a defect profile. So defect profile, how we are going to do, how we are going to prepare defect profile, everything. So tomorrow we are going to discuss. Okay.
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 So we find some issues or some defects we identified, right? With that, we are going to prepare defect profile. So how to prepare defect profile, how the bug cycle will be going on in a bug tracking, fifth phase is bug tracking. On that we are going to discuss. Okay. So bug tracking, after that reporting. Okay.
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 Okay then. So we'll meet back on tomorrow at the same time. And Rupali, please be online. For
Yeah, I apologize again. I'm so sorry. I was on the road.
what?
I said I was on the road. I was stuck in traffic.
Okay, okay. No, I'm saying just please be on the line right now. 1 second.
Oh,
Please
yes,
be there.
yes. Sure.
Okay, Gaurav, Rashim. Okay, tomorrow
Okay.
we'll meet. Bye
Yes,
bye.
sure.
Good
Okay,
night, guys.
Srisha. Thank you. Bye bye.
Good night.
Yeah.